Today, we're diving into one of the hottest budget smartphones on the market, the Google Pixel 9a. If you're looking for a device that offers incredible value for the price, killer camera features, and a pure Android experience, then you're going to want to stick around. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 9a is sleek, modern, and feels premium for a budget phone. It has that signature matte finish on the back, which helps prevent fingerprints, something that's rare in this price range. The device comes in, mentioned colors available, and it feels surprisingly solid in hand. Plus, it's IP68 water resistant, so no worries if you drop it in the pool. Now, let's talk about the display. The Pixel 9a sports a 6.1-inch OLED screen with full HD plus resolution. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games, the colors pop, and the contrast is amazing. And yes, it's bright enough to use outdoors, even on sunny days. A 60 Hz refresh rate might seem low compared to other phones in this range, but honestly, the display looks great for everyday use. Let's get to the part you've all been waiting for, the camera. As usual, Google doesn't disappoint in this department. The Pixel 9a features a 12.2 megapixel main camera with Google's amazing image processing software. The results? Stunning photos, even in low-light situations. You get that signature pixel magic with bright, detailed, and true-to-life colors. And it doesn't stop there. The night sight mode is incredible for those late-night shots, and the portrait mode blurs the background for those Instagram-worthy pictures. Don't forget, it can also shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, making it a great choice for content creators on a budget. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is powered by the Snapdragon 695 processor and 6 gigabytes of RAM. This is more than enough for smooth multitasking, casual gaming, and general use. I know some might worry about performance on budget phones, but trust me, the Pixel 9a handles everything with ease. And with stock Android, you get a clean, fast, and bloat-free experience. Plus, you'll receive all the latest updates directly from Google, which means you're getting the newest features and security patches as soon as they're available. When it comes to battery life, the Pixel 9a has a 4,410 mAh battery, which should last you through a full day of use. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming, it holds up well. And if you need a quick boost, you'll also benefit from 18-watt fast charging, so you won't have to wait long to get back in action. Now, how does the Pixel 9a compare to other budget phones? Well, for starters, it's got that Google camera advantage, and the stock Android experience is unmatched. You won't find that level of consistency and smoothness with many other budget phones. While phones like the Samsung A54 or OnePlus Nord N200 are solid choices, they just don't offer the same camera quality or software experience that Pixel brings. If you want a phone that just works and gets better over time, the Pixel 9a is a no-brainer. Now let's talk about the price. The Pixel 9a is available for around $349, which is an incredible deal for everything you're getting. With top-tier software, a fantastic camera, and solid performance, it's one of the best budget smartphones you can get in 2025. So, if you're looking for a phone that doesn't break the bank, but gives you a premium experience, the Pixel 9a is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. What do you think of the Pixel 9a? Would you pick this up as your next phone? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.